Instapage app: the pros, the cons. Instapage promises to help marketers create stunning, high-converting landing pages in minutes. But does it truly deliver on that promise, or is it just another flashy tool? Let's break down the real pros and cons of the Instapage app. Let's start with the pros. Instapage stands out for its beautiful design capabilities. Its drag-and-drop editor is one of the most refined on the market, giving you precise control over every element on the page. You can place text, buttons, and images exactly where you want, no restrictions, no rigid grids. Another huge advantage is speed and performance. Instapage pages load fast, which matters a lot because even a 1-second delay can reduce conversions by up to 7%. And with over 500 customizable templates, you can launch campaigns quickly and still keep everything on brand. Instapage also shines with its app testing, heat maps, and analytics. You can see exactly how visitors interact with your page, where they click, how far they scroll, and when they leave. That kind of insight is gold for marketers who want to optimize results. Now for the cons. Instapage isn't cheap. It's one of the most premium landing page tools available, with plans starting much higher than its competitors. It's built for professional marketers, not casual creators. Another drawback is that while it integrates well with ad platforms and CRMs, its collaboration tools may feel complex if you're a solo user. Also, you can't publish unlimited pages on every plan, which can be limiting for large-scale campaigns. So, is Instapage worth it? If you run serious ad campaigns and want a platform built for precision and performance, it's outstanding. But if you're on a tight budget or just need a few simple pages, it might be more than you need. The surprising truth? Instapage isn't just about building pages, it's about building profits. For marketers obsessed with optimization, it's a powerhouse. For everyone else, it's a luxury tool you might not fully use.